The Dji Air 3S might come out sooner than you would think. In fact, it has been registered to FCC, the prices have been leaked, and we have a potential release date, so I will tell you everything you need to know about it in this video. Let's get into it. Let's start with a closer look at the box, where we can see the new TUF sensor up front, and the upgraded camera setup, which now features a 1-inch sensor. However, it's still not sure if the telelens will be the same. In my personal opinion, it will still feature the same 3x zoom, in order to not compete too much with the Mavic Pro series, which is also about to get upgraded with the Mavic 4. I'll make an update video about it soon. Make sure to subscribe so you won't miss it. Getting back to the Air 3S, these are the main hardware upgrades, along with O4 Plus transmission, perhaps longer flight time, and new smart flight modes, such as active tracking or a better APAS system. Let's move on to the prices. Keep in mind that they have been converted from Australian dollars to euros, so they might not be precise. The standard combo with the RCN3 will be priced at around 950 euros. The Fly More combo with RCN3 at around 1200 euros. And finally, the Fly More combo with RC2 at around 1400 euros. Let's now talk about its release date. Since it has been registered to FCC databases and we have the product label, it usually takes around a month after it gets leaked. So my expectation is that it will be released in the end of October or maybe later in November, but it should come out before the end of the year. Subscribe to stay updated on the new leaks.